Morning team, welcome back to another video. It is another ridiculously hot day here in Laos, specifically in Vientiane. Just saw in yesterday's video, we just arrived yesterday, had a bit of exploring around town. So gonna go grab a morning coffee, but before we do that, it's gonna be laundry stop, which I think is across the road right here, from memory. I think all that's gonna be ground out by the old stone. Good morning. Thank you. Thank you. Alright team, that was a very painless visit to the laundry place. 40,000 kip for mine, as usual. 40,000 for JC as well. Let the record show. JC said there was some breakfast place he saw. And he's taking us this way.
I don't know which way.
Let's see if... Oh, so now you don't know. This way we saw it. That's what you just said.
I said, well, we're right next to the hotel. Remember the one I said, these are the prices?
No.
On blind board, but the other board, that was right.
Good morning. Quite the fancy place. Coffee, honey, lemonade. Some latte art. It's strong. You got way more than, on the photos, way more than one slice of bacon.
It does say one.
You do have fancy cutlery.
Yeah.
What's it meant to look like? Bacon two piece?
I think it was like that's no, not the bacon two piece. I got the. It was one piece, but it was two piece pancake. No, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
Presentation for this place. Very fancy. Laos National Cultural Hall. It's a pretty fancy looking building. Alright, right now JC has bailed back to the hotel. I didn't want to waste any more time in the hotel, so I decided I'm just going to go for a wander around town. I had a look on Google Maps. I chose a stupa, which is a little bit just outside of the main town area here. So I thought I'd go for a wander and see what it's all about. Have a look at this place up here. There is a massive barrel. Champagne Sauveurs Club. It is the biggest barrel I've ever seen. Turn the corner and lo and behold, here is the stupa. How about that then? That damn stupa might actually be pronounced Tat Damn Stupa. It's spelled with a TH, so I'm not sure, but it's pretty cool. It's basically in the middle of a roundabout. You can see in the sky, it is still smoky haze everywhere. I think it needs a wee bit of a trim. There's shrubs and weeds growing out all over this thing. Whose job is that though? I don't know. Alright, now I've got to find something else to do. I'm on foot currently, haven't organised transport. Actually, I haven't even really seen anywhere to rent bikes. There's I've passed one backpacker place which says they do bike rentals, and our hotel has got a sign in the window saying they got electric bike rentals that they can help with. I haven't inquired about any of them yet though, so I'll probably do that today. But right now I've got to keep moving because it is super hot and sweaty here, so I've got to find another site to see around town. It's within walking distance, so let's go. $5 beds. I'm sure that's probably for the dorm. And I didn't get it in shot, but I did just pass a bigger hotel back there with a huge sign out the front with numerous hospitality positions available. I don't know if they're for, it was in English, so it's a possibility foreigners could apply for some of them. Front of house manager, F&B manager, all that kind of stuff. Right now I am headed to the fountain, which, well, actually we did walk past this yesterday, but it's not currently running and seems to only look cool at night based on the photos. When the fountain's going, it's got all LEDs and stuff in it, and all the streams of water light up, and it looks quite awesome. It is not running in the day, so it does not look like much. I wonder if it still turns on overnight. I don't know. But this is it. The rooftop of this hotel, well, I assume is a hotel. Oh, we get a good view of it over night time. Yeah. Doesn't look like much during the day. Those photos that I've seen, however, all lit up at night time, do look very cool. So might have to put this on the list when we come to the night market, which is a good chance it'll be tonight we visit the night market. Could be that we come and have a visit here just to see if it is working. Fingers crossed that it is. Alright, I've got to come up with a new plan because it didn't work out quite as well as I hoped. Hey guys, how about this? It's the first time it's rained on this entire trip. The whole time we were in Thailand, it didn't rain. That's a first forever. The whole time we've been in Laos, it hasn't rained, and we're about 9 or 10 days in, something like that. Can't quite remember what day it is. That happens when you travel. It hasn't rained at all until this point, and I was just about to leave to head out to the Patuxai. I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure. It's like the Victory Monument or War Memorial kind of a thing. I was just leaving to go there. You'll notice it is fairly dark right now, or just starting to get dark. A little gap in the afternoon because the card was almost full. Forgot to clear it from the previous shoot. Then I didn't get much sleep last night, so I was feeling a bit tired, so I had a little nap in the afternoon. So I went to the bar next door to the hotel. So that's where I was about to head. It's around about a 25-minute walk. I walk a bit faster compared to what Google Maps estimates is, because that's based on really slow walking. So it'll probably take me less than 20 minutes. But the thing is, it just started raining, so that is a real spanner in the works. So I don't know how much cover there is. Because it's only a bit more than sprinkling right now, it's not so bad. But if it gets a bit more heavy and there's no cover, that's probably an issue. So I didn't bring a brolly with me. Because there's smoke haze in the sky that you literally can't see if there's clouds in the sky, because it just looks like complete overcast every day. But there's no shapes or anything, it's just a complete grey out. That's travel, things don't go as planned. Let's see if I get wet. Alright, I was hightailing it to the monument, but in that previous clip this morning you saw the fountain that wasn't even working, and I was wondering if it was actually going to work at night. I just took a quick bypass from the trek that I was going to the monument because I can see the fountain's going. Have a look at how pretty that is. That was pretty cool. It was up nice at night. Nice at night. Can't even talk. Had too many beers. Wow. Alright, on to the monument. Unless we find something else on the way. Let's go! How about this? We're almost there. It's a shame that they don't have the lights lighting up the top of it like they do at the bottom. You probably can't see from this distance, but the fountain is the other side of this, and from the pictures I've seen, there are lots of LEDs lighting up that fountain. It's a pretty awesome look. that. Guys, this is a beautiful looking structure. It's based on a European style with some Lao touches to the top of it. Let's go check out this, the fountain. Guys, how about this? We're here. The fountain's going off. The monument's behind me. How good does this place look? I'm glad I came out here at night time. It's going to look a hell of a lot better than what it does at daytime, that's for sure. Let's get a few more shots. Didn't realise the inside was like this. Wow. Okay, Patuxai. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it correctly, but it basically translates to Victory Gate or the Gate of Triumph. So it's based on the 1960s style architecture. Bear with me a moment, I'll try and cross this street. Yeah, 1960s European style, and then they've added a little touch of Lao flair in places of it, mostly those the steeples or whatever you call them on the top there. They've got a complete light and sound show goes on. I don't know if that's an all-time thing because there's a guy with like a music desk set up over there. Obviously the fountains and so forth go all the time, but they've got gobos set up all around the grounds as well as on top of the building, and they've got a whole pile of temporary gear and wet weather stuff set up over the desk. So I don't know if that's a nightly thing that they set that up or if it's just a special occasion, but if it is a special occasion, I was very lucky to see it. Just on the walk there, United Nations building directly across there. We're going to follow them lights all the way down. Don't ask me why I didn't rent a motorbike today. I should have. That would have been such a bruise if I rented a motorbike. Oh well, we live and we learn. First time in Laos, first time in Vientiane. There is lots to see around this city. Like even where the hotel is, I should probably mention this in a couple of the previous videos, but there's like 5 or 6 at least temples just around a few blocks of the hotel. Haven't really gone and have a good look inside the grounds or anything as yet. We probably will before we leave, but they're pretty cool looking. Lots of dragons and so forth on adorning the edges and entrances. But right now, I'm gonna head back, try and find some food. I don't know if I'm gonna stop at a restaurant or get some street food. I really wanted to get that chicken lady, but she wasn't there when I went past the street cart, so let's see. For an enormous tree. I thought it was lime to begin with, but it looks like to be mango tree. Myself a Hawaiian pizza. Seems to be, it's like pepperoni instead of ham. But it was delicious. Didn't find the chicken lady on the way home, street food cart, so this is what I went for. Sorry for talking about mouthful team, but just sort of mentioned a food delivery company called E-Gets Food Delivery. This one I just spotted. Haven't seen it before. You see Food Panda a lot around here in Laos, but E-Gets Food Delivery. Letter E-Gets. No other reason just to mention it, but if you're in Laos and you want to get some food delivered to your room, maybe that's an option for you. Okay, pizza's done. I'm gonna head back to the room now. Wasn't the cheapest of things. 154 it come to, 1 tawley and the pizza. So I have to check the bill. I thought it was only 25 for the beer, maybe it was 35. And that was only 5,000 more than the small one. And I thought it was like 115 for the pizza. Anyway, I'm gonna end this one here. If you come to Vientiane, definitely go check out that monument. That is awesome overnight. The fountain's pretty cool as well. And I'll see you guys in the morning for the next one. Ciao.